This is Blockbuster Android system. 2 GB, 32 GB with IPS display, which has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is 9-inch for Polo. For Polo, you will have this all frame, this canvas steering control, canvas for the steering controls, everything. So let's open the packing. So inside this you will have this booklet, and here if you open this, here you will have a warranty card. So this is the warranty card for that Blockbuster. This, and this is the main system. So as you can see, this is the 2 GB 32 GB unit, Blockbuster one, 9-inch system, and we will have this set of 5 cables in this. Let's see what and all we have got in this. So we have a drill bit in this. We'll get a drill bit and the camera wiring, this, and this is the GPS wires and all plug and play system in this. Total plug and play, and you'll get screws for the camera. So that's all. So if anybody want, can contact me.